Hi, I'm Miss Hall, and this is Lesson 11, Focus and Directrix of a Parabola, Part 2. In Part 1, Lesson 10, we looked at the focus and the directrix when the parabola had a vertex of the origin. In Lesson 11, we're going to look at what is the equation when the parabola has had a vertical or horizontal translation, or both. So these are standards of equations of a parabola with a vertex of h, k. The vertical axis of symmetry is x equals h. That's the same as before. What's different is this equation. It almost looks like vertex form, but the difference is the a value is now 1 over 4p. Used to be a. This p value indicates how far away the vertex is from the focus, and the vertex is from the directrix. Okay, so P is the distance between the vertex and the focus, and it's the distance between the vertex and the directrix. So therefore, the focus is the vertex plus P plus that distance, and the directrix is K minus that distance P. If you have what I'm calling a sleeping parabola, then the formula just gets switched around slightly. Okay, you'll see now you have x equals, the a value is still 1 over 4p. Now you have y minus k squared plus h. So the k and h have switched places. The vertex is still h comma k, which means the focus is now h plus or minus p, right? This p value, again, is how far away the vertex is to the focus and how far away the vertex is to the directrix. The directrix then is x equals h minus p. And let's do some examples. Write an equation of the parabola shown. So we're given the focus, the vertex, and a sketch of the parabola, and we have to write the equation. Since this is a parabola facing upward, the formula I'm going to use is y equals 1 over 4p times x minus h squared plus k. H and k come from the vertex. So this vertex is 0, 1. That is my h and k. And now my p value is the distance between the vertex and the focus. So this distance, and the scale is 0.5, is 1.5. So I know that p equals 1.5. As a bonus, I could draw the directrix in this diagram. I could go down 1.5 spots and draw the directrix, which would be, what is this, y equals negative 0.5. That's bonus. You don't need it to write the equation. Let me write this equation. Y equals 1 over 4 times p, the p value is 1.5, times x minus h, h is 0 squared plus k, k is 1. I can simplify this. Y equals 1 over 6 x squared plus 1. And this is the equation of the parabola shown. Example 4, writing an equation of a translated parabola. Write an equation of the parabola shown. This is a sideways parabola. So the formula is x equals 1 over 4p times y minus k squared plus h. You can find the p value. It's the distance between the vertex and focus. And the scale is 2, so we have a p value of 4. If I went 4 in the opposite direction of the vertex, I would get the directrix. Again, this is bonus. X equals 2 is the directrix. I also need to identify the vertex of the parabola, which is labeled. I just need to know the point. So the vertex of the parabola is 6, 2. That is my h and k value. And I have enough information now. X equals 1 over 4 times p times y minus k plus h. X equals 1/16 times y minus 2 squared plus 6. Done.